Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about data science. So what is data science? Data science is a study of data. In simple word, we can say that data science is a field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. Data science is really a progression of 3 steps. We collect data, then analyze the trends within the data, and lastly, we make decisions based on the data. Data science is a process in which the goal is to make better choices. To make better choices, data should be collected to properly analyze the situation. Once the situation has been analyzed, the data scientist can make decisions to improve various outcomes. First of all, they collect the data. Data can be collected using code from database or conducting new surveys. Coding used for data collection can be vital in finding the right information. Then they analyze trends in data. Once the data has been collected, it is important to visualize the data with pictures. That's why trends can be analyzed in the data to make decisions. Then they make decisions from data. Visualization should allow data scientists to recognize trends to predict the best course of action from the future. Better decisions come from analyzing data. So, what skills are required for data science? The skills required for data science are programming, statistics, and communications, mathematics. To be a data scientist, you will need to learn to write code, use statistics to analyze data from the code, and then properly communicate the information to stakeholders. Data scientists must be dynamic individuals with many talents. Data science is about the integration of skills, not just being an expert in one area. Data science is basically a common term. This branch includes several scientific methods like mathematics, statistics, and other tools to analyze and manipulate data on a variety of models and raw data to get information. What is data science used for? Businesses use data scientists to source, manage, and analyze large amounts of unstructured data. Data science can be used to gain knowledge about behaviors and processes, write algorithms that process large amount of information quickly and efficiently, increase security and privacy of sensitive data, and guide data-driven decision making. I hope so you got this concept of data science. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.